In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment confirmation reminder workflow in GoHighLevel. This workflow will help you automatically confirm bookings and send timely reminders, so your clients show up prepared and on time, and you spend less time manually chasing people. Let's walk through it step by step, and you can follow along in your own GoHighLevel account. First, head over to your GoHighLevel dashboard and go to your Launchpad. This is the main starting area where you can access all the different tools inside your account. Make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where you want this workflow to live, because workflows are tied to specific locations. From the Launchpad, look for the automation section and click on it. This is where all of your workflows and automations are managed. Once you're on the automation page, you'll see a tab for workflows. Here, click on the option to create a new workflow. This tells GoHighLevel that you want to build a new automated sequence. Instead of starting from scratch, we're going to use one of GoHighLevel's pre-built templates. Click on Select from Template. Templates are really helpful because they already contain the key steps and logic. You just need to customize them for your business. In the template list, find the one called Recipe, Appointments Confirmation plus Reminder, and click on Choose Template. GoHighLevel will now load a pre-made workflow designed specifically for appointment confirmations and reminders. You'll see a series of steps laid out, such as confirmation messages, wait periods, and reminder messages. Once the pre-made workflow appears, you can customize it to fit your brand and process. Start by clicking on the step labeled Confirmation Email. This opens the settings for that specific action. Here, you can edit things like the action name, the email subject line, the body content, and the email template if you're using one. Take a moment to adjust the wording so it matches your tone of voice and clearly explains the appointment details, such as date, time, and what the client should expect. You can repeat this editing process for every step in the workflow. For example, if there is a wait action, you can decide how long the system should wait before sending the next reminder. This could be a number of hours or days before the appointment, depending on how many reminders you want to send and how early you want them to go out. As you tweak each step, remember to save your changes. When you're done editing the workflow to your specifications, click on Save Action. Go through and make sure all the key steps are saved and configured. Once everything looks good, your appointment confirmation and reminder workflow is ready to be activated and used with your